Hi, my name is Rimi Sarkar. I am explaining the bond of friendship that all about beautiful memories of friendship. Let's start the poem with author Bond of Friendship written by Craig Burkholder. Craig Burkholder published this poem first time in the social media in 2014. A well composed poem about reunion with a childhood friend is what the poem is all about. Let's see the poem. From the day that I first knew you, your heart was pure and kind. Your smile was sweet and innocent. Your wit was well refined. The sparkles in your eye was keen. Your friendship fast and real. Soft words were your virtue and humor your appeal. We grew as friends together. We loved and shared our dreams. Along that we crush or two went unrevealed, it seems. As year rolled on, our paths were split, our road were separate ways. We each pursue our interests that occupied our days. We soon forget our youthful bliss of tender, carefree years. We did not talk or keep in touch throughout life's pain and tears. Then my darkest hour came, and tired me to my core. To save my heart from ruin, I closed and locked the door. Then out of every nowhere, where precise direct cue, an old familiar smile came slowly into view. Although much time was gone, and the die of fate long cast, it was as if we had not missed a second of the past. You listened with attentive care and reassured my mind that loving heart are still alive with purpose and design. Deep inside, I have locked away emotion yet untold. As time goes on and bonds grow strong, they will all unfold. So thank you, friend, for taking time to demonstrate your love. It's yet another blessing that I am undeserving of. That's the poem. Now we look the summary of the poem. In this poem, the author is talking about his friendship, how he cherished them. The poet is expressing about his friend's nature. His friend was compassionate, his smile would enlighten someone's day, and his smartness was pure. The poet details how rapidly his friendship grew because of the politeness of his friend. His friend has good sense of humor. The poet and his friend has good sense of humor. The poet and his friend had talked about their dreams and ambition with each other while growing up. After some years, when they become elder, their life decision changed, which made them grow apart. This distance had bonded by their busy schedule. Later in life, they forget about their childhood memories. Back then, how carefree they were because of busy life. They even forget to be in touch even in their thick and teens. When the time had passed and death was near, his friend came back to him. He still had same smile that would made anybody's day. This rebounding made him realize he had never left his friend. He was always in his memories. After meeting each other, his friend listened to him carefully and assured him that he had never forgotten him and his memories are still alive. Listening to his friend, the poet felt their friendship has grown more closer and his memories are still alive and become stronger with time. At the end, he thanked his friend for taking his time to meet him and express his feeling. The poet does not believe that he deserves such friendship. He thinks himself as privileged to have his friend. In this way, the poem expresses that as we grown up, our choice and priorities determine the nature of our friendship, and the recollection of past memories can revive forgotten friendship back to its glory. That's all. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the poem. Thank you for listening it.